I was technically supposed to be paralyzed from the neck down.
Channary Hor has been able to regain some movement in her hands, but she says her life forever changed when she was 16 years old. It happened on May 18, 2006 at this intersection. Pictures show the vehicle. She was sitting in the passenger seat.
There was a chase that happened that night, and it left me where I am now today.
She says she remembers seeing the flashing lights and hearing sirens before the crash, but that's not what Seattle police officers said, according to Hor's attorney, Colleen Durkin-Peterson.
They denied that they were in a pursuit of the vehicle that Channary was in.
Hor filed a lawsuit against the city of Seattle and the driver of the vehicle she was riding in, Omar Tammam, someone she was on a first date with. Earlier that evening, they had been sitting in a vehicle near Seward Park when two police officers arrived, according to Durkin-Peterson.
One of the officers got out of his car and went to bang on the car that Channary was in with her date, and her date was scared and took off.
She says police followed at a high rate of speed.
Mr. Tammam lost control of his vehicle at the top of that street and crashed into a rock wall.
One of the officers at the scene was Aaron Grant, who was later called to testify in court.
Officer Grant had taken his life in his home due to the testimony that he provided in Channary's case, and it became known that he had told a number of his fellow officers that he was pressured to provide false testimony.
Hor versus the city of Seattle.
Now in this courtroom, they revisit what happened, with Hor's legal team going first. Then the city of Seattle made their argument. And ultimately, to Hor's disappointment, the judge found no clear and convincing evidence of fraud.
Plaintiff's motion to vacate is denied.
Now, Hor was visibly upset by the judge's decision today. Her attorney said when it comes to this case, they're not done fighting. Live in Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.